They tell you to stop eating red meat. They tell you bacon and hot dogs are the enemy. And they offer you a healthy, plant-based alternative. But what I am about to show you makes a hot dog look like a superfood. There is a protein source sitting on health food shelves right now that is not grown, but engineered. It is washed in gasoline, bleached with chemicals, and disguised with 50 different flavor compounds to trick your brain. Today, on the Wellness Hub Plus 50, we are exposing the #1 worst protein in the world. It is not meat. It is an industrial waste product that generates billions of dollars a year. Let me reveal the horrors hidden inside this so-called health food. Horror number 1. The gasoline bath. To make this protein, they take soy flour and strip away the fat using a solvent called hexane. Hexane is literally an ingredient in gasoline. The industry claims it evaporates, but I challenge them. Show me one independent study proving zero residue left behind. There are none. Horror number 2. The chemical storm. After the gasoline bath, they soak it in sodium hydroxide. That is lye. Superalkaline. Then, because it looks gray and unappealing, they bleach it with titanium dioxide so it looks edible. Horror number 3. The thyroid trap. This is critical for anyone over 50. Despite the high heat processing, the estrogenic effects of the soy remain intact. If you are on thyroid medication, consuming this fake meat can alter how your medication works. It mimics hormones your body is trying to regulate. Horror number 4. The cardboard deception. At the end of this process, they have a sponge-like chunk that tastes like cardboard. So they rehydrate it with seed oils like canola and corn, and then add up to 100 chemical flavorings just to make it taste like chicken or beef. It is marketed as heart healthy because it has no cholesterol. But in reality, it is a highly refined, ultra-processed, GMO product, often contaminated with heavy metals like lead and arsenic. The name of this ingredient? Textured vegetable protein, or TVP. Do not be fooled by the word vegetable. It is industrial soy waste. Stick to real food. Your body knows the difference. This is the Wellness Hub Plus 50. Have you been eating this fake meat, thinking it was healthy? Let me know in the comments.